Today's subject is also multiplication. In the previous class, yes, you learned single digit of multiplication without carrying. Carrying ಇಲ್ದಲೇನೆ multiplication ಮಾಡೋದು single and double digit learn ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? Yes. Today we will continue the next double digit of multiplication with carry over. Okay? Yes. Come children, let's do the multiplication. Okay? See here, let us multiply 65 by 3. Multiply 65 by 3. Multiply 65 by 3. Okay. First you have to arrange the numbers in columns. First you have to arrange these numbers in columns. Okay children? See here, put columns here, 2 digits are there now. Put 2 columns. Here carry over sum on this one. You have to put extra column here to write the carry. Okay? Ones, always from the right, that is ones place, and then tens. Okay? Here 2 digits are there no? Write 6, write under the tens column, 5 write under the ones place, and then by 3 only one single digit is there no? Write under the ones column. Here you put the symbol into. Put the symbol into. Okay? Draw a line here. Here you have to write the answer. Okay children? See here. First you have to multiply the ones place digits. Ones place digit na multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. See ones place digits are 5 into 3. 5 into 3. Which table you have to say now? ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು? 5 3s ಅನ್ನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ 3 5s ಅನ್ನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ? 5 ones say 5 ones table. 5 ones 5. 5 twos are 10 and 5 threes are, how much you will get children? 15. 5 threes are how much you will get? 15. See here comes 2 digit answer. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂತು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? 15. We can't write 15 in ones place. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ones place ನಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು 15 ಡಬಲ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So we have to write the ones place number first. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವೇನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಫಸ್ಟು ones place ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ನ ones ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ? Here 5 is there no? Write 5 under the ones place. Okay? Next this 1, it is in tens place. ಈ 1 ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? tens place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So 110. This 1 carry over to next place. So ಈ 1 ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಓವರ್ ಟು ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ? ಕೀಪ್ ದಿಸ್ 1 ಹಿಯರ್. ಈ 1 ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಾವು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ? ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಗೋ ಟು ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಟೆನ್ಸಿಗೆ. ಓಕೆ? ಇನ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ 6 ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ನೋ? 6 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 6 by 3. ಸೇಮ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ 3ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟು 5 into 3 and then 6 into 3. ಓಕೆ? 5 into 3 first and then next 6 into 3. Okay? Right here 6 into 3. Which table you have to say now? 6 ones are 6. Yes. 6 ones are 6, 6 2s are 12, and then 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are how much you get here? 18. 6 3s are 18. Answer ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ನಿಮಗೆ? 18. For 18 you have to add 1. This is a carry, no? ಈ ಕ್ಯಾರಿನ ಯಾವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡವಾಗ ಈ 18 ಆನ್ಸರಿಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 18 after, if you add 1 carry, 18 after 19. 18 after, if you add 1 number for 18ಗೆ 1 ನಂಬರ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? 19. 1, if you add 1 carry, this carry you have to add. Understood? So 18 after 19. So here 19 answer, no? So how to write 19? First you write the ones place number here, and then this one goes to hundreds column. See, another column comes now here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಂತು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ 1, 9, 19. Again you put column here for carry over sum. Now this is carry over sum, no? So you put another column, that is hundreds. That is hundreds. See, the first place from the right ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಾವು ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, and the second place is called tens, and the third place is called hundreds. First place, second, and then third. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay children? Yes. Now the answer is 100. See, 1 is in hundreds place now. So how to read this? 100. 9 tens are there. 9 tens means its value is 90. 195. So the answer is 195. 195. 195 is the answer. So this answer is called product. ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? Product. Okay. Now write this. 65 multiplied by 3 is equal to 195. How to read this children? 65 multiplied by 3 is equal to 195. See here, 65 is called multiplicand. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? Multiplicand. Okay. And 3 is called multiplier. Okay. multiplier. Multiplier. And the answer is called product. And the answer is called product. Multiplicand is multiplier by 3 is equal to product. ಈ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ 65 into 3 is equal to 195. Okay. Look at another one example. Okay. 73 multiply 73 by 4. 73 by 4. Okay. See children here, how to arrange 73 into 4 is equal to. See in this 73 is called multiplicand, isn't it? Multiplicand, and then into 4 is called multiplier, and the answer is called product. And the answer is called product. Okay. Yes. See, first you have to arrange these numbers in columns. This is carry over sum, no? So put one extra column to write the hundreds place digit. Okay. See here, ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. Here you have to write the carry. Okay. Arrange the numbers 73. See children, here there are only 2 digits now. So write 7 in tens place and then 3 in ones place. Here only single digit is there now. Write under the ones place and put into symbol, draw a line. Arrange the numbers like this. Okay. Yes. Now we have to multiply ones place numbers. First ones place numbers na multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. 3 into 4 and then you multiply the tens place digit. 7 is there, no? Yes, by 4 only you have to multiply. Both the numbers we have to multiply by 4. ಇಲ್ಲಿ multiplicand ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 73. ಅದು ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯರ್ 4 ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎಸ್, 3 into 4, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ 7 into 4. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 into 4 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 7 into 4. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಸೇ ದ ಟೇಬಲ್ 3 ones up to 4 ಸಿಗೋವರೆಗೂ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. 3 ones. ಓಕೆ, 3 ones 3, 3 2s 6, 3 3s 9, 3 4s how much children? 12. 3 4s how much children? 12. ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸಿ 2 ರೈಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್, ಒನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, next this 110 carry, this is called carry over to tens place. ಈ ಕ್ಯಾರಿನ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? tens place ಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, again you have to multiply 7 into 4. next ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? 7 into 4. 7 4s, say the table. 7 1s 7 1s 7, 7 2s 14, 7 3s 21, 7 4s 28. 7 4s how much children? 28. 28 answer ಬಂತಲ್ವಾ 7 4s. So for this 28 you have to add one carry. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮರಿಬಾರದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? For this answer you have to add one carry. Okay, add means plus. 8 plus 1 9 and then 2. So the answer is 2 9 29. Yes, write 2 here in hundreds place and 9 right under the tens place. 29. See here, 3 digits are there, no? Totally 3 digit answer ಬಂದಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗೆ hundreds ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, now the answer is 2 is in hundreds place. So 200, how to read this? 200. 9 is in tens place. 9 tens means 90, and then 2 is in ones place. So we read it as 2. 292. How to read this number children? 292. 292. So now the answer is 292. 92. So this answer is called product. ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, did you all understand now how to do the carry over sum in multiplication? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಎಸ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು practice it properly. Okay, in page number 177 there is given. Page number 176, 177, 178, all these are homework for you. Okay, yes, thank you very much. See you in the next class. Take care. Bye bye. Good morning.